Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have learned some examples in which how to find the cube of a given 3-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra when the given number is very near to the base 200. And now in this session we are going to see an example how to find the cube of a given 3-digit number when the given number is nearer to the base 300. So friends, why to wait? Let us see what that example is. So the example here I am going to take is find the cube of 306. So friends, in order to find the cube of a given number, we do have some parts of procedures that we have to follow. So the first part that we have to do here is the left part. So here in the left part, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the nearest base of the given number. So here the nearest base of given number 306 is 300. After finding the nearest base, now moving to step number 2. Now what we have to do here is we have to find the excess. So friends, I think you know that the excess is found out by comparing the given number with the base. So here the given number is 306 and the base is 300. So by comparing these two numbers we get an excess of 6 and it is taken over here. After finding the excess, moving to step number 3. Now what we have to do here is we have to multiply the excess with 3. So therefore by multiplying 3 into 6 we get 18 as the product. After finding this product, moving to step number 4. Now what we have to do here is we have to add the product what we have got to the base. So therefore 300 plus 18 is equals to 318, and this new sum, that is 318, is regarded as the required left part over here. After completing the process of left part and moving to the process of middle part, the first step what we have to do here is we have to take the answer what we have got in the left part and we have to find the nearest base and excess for it. So therefore the nearest base of 318 is 300 and the excess is 18. And after finding this excess and the nearest base, moving to step number 2. Now what we have to do here is we have to multiply the excess of new sum with the actual excess. So here the new excess what we have got is 18 and the actual excess what we have got is 6. So therefore by multiplying 18 into 6 we get 108 as the product, and this 108, the product, is regarded as the required middle part. After completing the process of middle part and moving to the process of right part, the first and last step what we have to do here is we have to find the cube of actual excess. So here the actual excess what we have got is 6, and therefore by cubing the number 6 we get 216 as the answer, and this 216 is regarded as the required right part. After finding all the parts, now what we have to do here is we have to take the base what we have got, that is 300, and we have to ignore the zeros, then we get a number called 3. Now what we have to do here is we have to multiply the left part with the square of the number, that is with the 3 square, and the middle part with the number itself, that is with the 3. So therefore the left part what we are going to get here is 318 into 3 square, that is equals to 318 into 9, and finally we get the product 2862. After completing the left part and now moving to the middle part, by multiplying 108 into 3 we get 324 as the product. So after finding these parts, that is the left part, the middle part, and already we have found the right part. After finding all these 3 parts, now we have to write all these 3 parts in an order like this, and we have to place some vertical and horizontal bars after writing these numbers in an order and by placing some vertical and horizontal bars. Friends, you know that here we are finding the cube of a given 3-digit number, and the base what we have taken here is 300. Since there are only 2 zeros in our base, so therefore we have to take only 2 digits in right part as well as in middle part. But in the left part we can have as many digits as we want. So friends, coming to the right part, here we are having 3 digits. So therefore we have to take only the lastmost 2 digits in our answer, that is 16, and the remaining number, that is 2, should be taken as carry on, and we have to add this 2 to the middle part, that is to 324. So therefore by taking 2 and by adding to 324 we get 326. If you observe this 326, again it is a 3-digit number, so we have to take the last 2 digits, that is 26, and we have to take this 3 as carry on to the next part, that is to the left part, and we have to add to it. So therefore by taking this 3 and by adding to 2862 we get 2865. And friends, now let me place one more horizontal bar and let me write all the answers what I have got in all the parts. So here in the right part I have got 16, in the middle part I have got 26, and in the left part finally I have got 2865. And therefore by combining all these parts of answers I get the final result, and therefore we can say that 306 cube is equals to 28,652,616. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra in finding the cube of a given 3-digit number when the given number is nearer to the base like 300. So friends, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra when the given number is nearer to the base like 300. In the next session, we will be having a new example to explore a new concept in Yavadunam Sutra in finding the cube. So for watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.